been fishing. Now I'm going for a walk, and of course, as always, my binoculars go with me. I'm on the western slope of the valley where I live. There is a golf course, lots of woodland, always looking out for something special. Like this morning when I wasn't even expecting it, but a dipper turned up right in front of me. You never know what you will see, and the thing is, you won't see it unless you get out there, will you? Not only a great birding principle, but also a life one as well. Nothing ever happens when you're sitting down in front of the fire. You have to get up and get out there and make things happen in a way, in context, of course, but you know what I mean. Right, let's carry on. Just seen a small flock of redwings. I think it's going to be a good winter for them, actually. I did see 8 separate groups this morning while fishing, ranging from 4 birds up to about 30. The one bird that I haven't seen yet, though, over the valley this year, and obviously it's a winter visitor, the fieldfare. And I've got a decent tick list for the year thus far, but now I'm finding that I'm beginning to target particular species of birds, and the fieldfare is one of them. Not all the creatures of the valley are necessarily that wild either. A goat in the foreground and a sheep beyond that. "11 magpies on the fairway behind me there. They do flock together, especially at this time of the year onwards. Seen and heard male greenfinch singing as well, enjoying the late autumn sunshine. It's a beautiful day and the great outdoors. You can't beat it, can you? And if you can combine a walk with maybe bird watching or golf, if that's your scene, well, you can kill 2 birds with 1 stone there, can't you, so to speak. Can you hear the noise of the children in the background there? That's the primary school near to where I live. I'm in the woodland now, ready to go back home. And it's this time of the year. Funnily enough, I was thinking about it 10 minutes or so ago. 1966, 21st of October, the Aberfan disaster. And I can remember watching that on television, and it really left a mark on me as a child. The terrible things that happened down there in South Wales, and all these years later, although it's not a haunting emotion or anything like that, nevertheless, at this time of the year and this time of the month, especially as we approach that day, I do think and reflect on what happened all those years ago in Aberfan.